Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I got my hair to look like this using the Dyson round brush attachment. So I did a video on the smoothing brush attachment. Now I'm going to show you the round brush and how well it works. My hair turns out pretty good. It has nice curl, nice shine. It's one of my favorite attachments to use. Let's just get started. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like. I have some waves. This is what the back of my hair looks like. And I have it on the highest speed and heat for my hair. So I like to go wrap it like that, and you pull it down, roll it a little bit more, pull it down, roll a little bit more, pull it down, and then I like to turn it like that at the end. A lot of times I also like to just go like this, just straight down like that. I'll go this way and go straight down like that. I'll also go like this and go down so my hair goes around the brush and it gives you like a nice curl. There's so many different ways to do it. I'm going to show you all the different ways I do it, and you can kind of see which way you like. So wrap it, go down, go up a little bit, down, up a little, and I just keep repeating it. You don't want to go up too much because then your hair will get stuck. It's kind of like when you go to the hairdresser and they're using the round brush with the blow dryer. Then I'll go up here like that, and I'll kind of just go like this. Then I'll do it the other way like that. And then I go in the ends and kind of turn it like this. And yeah, that's pretty much, it's so easy and quick using the round brush, honestly. My hair has a nice shine to it. It feels silky and smooth. The bottoms have a nice curl to it. So let me show you what I mean by the curling thing when it goes down the actual blow dryer. Let me show you. So you turn your hair like that and it curls like that. Like, that's so fun. So if you want like a more of a curl to it, I love that technique. You go like this. This is just the way I do it. I feel like when I get all the corners like this, it really smooths out my hair. Corner sections. And then go down like that. And roll it. And then down. And curl. And like that. Then I go this way. And this is what works for my hair. And then it's nice and bouncy, has the little curl, and it's nice and shiny. It really smooths down your hair a lot. I absolutely love this attachment. It's so curl. And that is that side all done, and it just looks nice and smooth. The ends are curled. So let me do the next section. To my root right here, I feel like when I go like this, it helps smooth it out a lot easier. Okay. And like that. All right, and that's the second layer. This is starting to look more like a blowout look. Still have the volume in my hair. For my front piece, I go like this. And then I bring it up like that, give it some extra volume. And I go behind, do the same thing. And then do the curl. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll put my hair opposite like this, brush it, flip it back over, brush it, and then you get like a lot of volume. And I'll just curl the bottom pieces like this. Nice little flared curl. There's no frizz. It's nice and smooth, really nice and voluminous. Still has some nice shine to it. It's nice and smooth. It just looks like I just straightened my hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.